Okay, we have a trigonometric question here, standard level question, but good practice here for high level as well. So I've got 3 sine x squared, 4 cos x, and I've got to put it in this form. And normally when you start with questions like this and you're asked to solve them, which we're asked to do here later, the problem is we have sine squared x and cos x's, and we want to get rid of either these or these. And these are always the easiest ones to get rid of, because I have a Pythagorean identity for these. I can replace sine squared x with 1 minus cos squared x, and that's on the formula sheet. And then that's plus 4 cos x. So if I expand that, I have 3 take away 3 cos squared x plus 4 cos x. So that's the first part done, probably worth about 3 marks, and there's probably 3 or 4 marks for the second one as well. So for part B, I'm going to take that, because it says hence, so I've got to use the result from the one above. That's what hence usually means. And I've got to take away 4. So when I do this, I get 3 minus, actually let me start this one again, because I'm going to start off with minus 3 cos squared x plus 4 cos x. And I've got 3 and I've got minus 4 here, so I'm going to make that minus 1 equals 0. Now when I try and solve quadratic equations, I like to start with the positive. So I'm going to multiply every single term through by minus 1. And this is a cos, my very spidery writing. And this becomes plus 1 equals 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. These always end up being quadratic equations, and you can take your time, you can pause and try and solve this quadratic equation, but basically it's cos x, 3 cos x minus 1, and cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So from the first bracket, we have cosine x equals a third, and I need to solve that and find out what angles x can be. And from the second bracket, we have cosine x equals minus 1. So I'm going to write that out as well. And I'm going to, cosine x minus 1 equals 0. So cosine x equals 1. Now that one I can actually do. If this was a non-calculator one, I could actually do this one here. That's equal to 0. And I'm allowed to have 0. But the other one is not one that I can't work out. I can work out without a calculator. So I'm going to have to get my calculator up. If I can get my calculator up, always the trickiest part of the video. Eventually, click on my calculator. Right, here's my calculator. And let's just exit. I go into menu and I go into the run mode. And I can see, if you've got good eyesight, I'm in degree mode already, and I want cosine x equals a third. So I'm going to go shift cos brackets 1 divided by 3. It gives me 70.5. So that's the other answer, 70.5. So a little bit of technical problems there with the computer, but those are the 2 answers.